Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mute desktop audio in different scenes in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once the app launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up a new window where you can configure various aspects of OBS to suit your recording or streaming needs. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar where you'll find several categories. Click on Audio to access all the audio-related settings. This section is crucial because it controls how OBS handles sound from different sources, and adjusting these settings properly will give you complete control over your audio in each scene. Now, within the audio settings, you'll see a section for desktop audio. This is where OBS typically captures all the sounds coming from your computer, like music, game audio, or browser sounds. Locate the first desktop audio option, and you'll notice a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down and select Disabled from the list. Disabling this default desktop audio input is important because it prevents OBS from automatically capturing all your computer sounds, which gives you more flexibility to control audio on a per-scene basis. After making that change, navigate to the bottom right corner of the settings window. You'll see two buttons there. First, click Apply to save your changes, and then click OK to close the settings window. This ensures your new audio configuration is properly saved and applied to your OBS setup. Now, let's set up custom audio sources that you can control independently in different scenes. Navigate to the bottom left of your OBS window where you'll find the Sources panel. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the menu that pops up, select Audio Output Capture, and then click OK. This creates a new audio source that you can add to specific scenes rather than having it play globally across all of them. A new window will appear asking you to configure this audio source. Here, you need to select your playback device. This will typically be your speakers or headphones, depending on what you're using to hear audio on your computer. Once you've selected the correct device, click OK to finalize the setup. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS to mute desktop audio globally and set up custom audio sources that you can control scene by scene. This gives you much better control over what audio plays during your recordings or streams. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.